Hello. Let us see the third question on July Maths Assignment 1 for Standard 5. Using the digits 3150 only once, what is the maximum number of figures above 3000 that can be made? The options are 15, 12, 24 or 6. Let us understand the problem statement first. What is given to us? 4 digits 1, 3, 5, and 0. And we have to make numbers that are greater than 3000. Also, the condition is that we can use one digit only once in one number. Now, what does that mean? I cannot have two threes, two fives, two ones in a number, or three ones or three zeros in a given number. That is the meaning of the question. Now, are there any special conditions in this question which we need to take into consideration before we write the numbers? Think over it, pause the video, and think over it for a while. We have to make numbers that are greater than 3000. So, what does that mean? We have the digits 1, 3, 5, and 0. So which are the digits that cannot come in the thousands place? 1 and 0. So if 1 and 0 come in the thousands place, the numbers will be lesser than 3000. So in the thousands place, we can have just but 3 and 5. That is the restriction we have for this question. We have to take into consideration that. Let us make the numbers now. Suppose I write 3 in the thousands place and 1 in the hundreds place. I can write 5 in the tens place and 0 in the units place, or 0 in the tens place and 5 in the units place. In the same way, I can keep rolling 1, 5 and 0 in the hundreds, tens and units place, keeping 3 fixed in the thousands place. How many such numbers we can form? 1 here, 0550, 5 here, 1001, and 0 here, 1551. 6 numbers. In the same way now, if I keep 5 in the thousands place and roll 310 in 100, tens and units, how many more numbers can be formed? Again 6 in the same fashion. So totally, how many numbers are possible? 6 plus 6, 12 numbers. Shall we list all the numbers? Okay, let's try. See, this is the first set. I write 3 in the thousands place, 1 in the hundreds place, 5, 0, and 0, 5 in tens and units. Then I write 5 in the hundreds place, 0, 1 and 1, 0 in the tens and units. And then I write 0 in the hundreds place and 5, 1 and 1, 5 in the units and tens places. These are 6 numbers with 3 in the thousands place. Now, let me write 5 in the thousands place and then 1 in hundreds place, 3003 in tens units, then 3 in the hundreds place, 0110 in the tens and units, and 0 in the hundreds place and 31 and 13 in the tens and units. So, 12 numbers are ready. 6 here, 6 here. But this is a very long method. It will take a lot of time. So, should we learn an interesting method that will save our time and that will also help us in making many such numbers which are even more complicated than the given numbers? Here we go. What is the concept over here? How many digits are there in the number? There are 4 digits. So let us make a train of 4 compartments. This is my train. Thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and units place are my 4 compartments. Now, in general, what is the number of digits that can be written in the thousands place? How many digits can I write in the thousands place? All 4 I can write, isn't it? I can write all 4 digits in the thousands place. Then out of 4 digits, 1 is gone. So in the hundreds place, how many digits I can write? Any of the remaining 3. In the tens place, any of the remaining 2 digits. And in the units place, the last digit that remains. So totally, how many numbers are possible? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. I can make 24 numbers when I have 4 digits, and all 4 digits can be written in any place. But what is our condition in this question? We can write only 3 and 5 in the thousands place. I cannot write 4 digits in the thousands place. So how do I modify my train compartments? How many digits I can write in the thousands place now? Only 2, 3 or 5. Then out of the remaining 3, how many can I write in hundreds place? Any of the remaining 3. In the tens place, any of the remaining 2. And in the units place, the last remaining digit. So how many total numbers are possible here now? 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 12 numbers are possible. So let us get back to our question. How many numbers can be made? Our answer is 12. Now, what are the common mistakes that can be done while doing this question? First is, if we don't understand that we cannot use 1 and 0 for the thousands place, then our answer may go wrong. And secondly, the restriction that we can use one digit only once in a given number. If that is not understood, we may go wrong. And I learned that. What did I learn with this question? I learned the fantastic train method, that I can make compartments of a train and then fit the numbers over there and get the answer very, very quickly, fast and correct. Thank you.